All right, welcome back. Today we are going to teach you how to narrow down your searches using the Harold B. Lee Library website. So, first step would be to access the library's website. So what you would do is you'd come down and you'd look for your search engine of choice. I like to use Google Chrome, pull that up. And so now what you do is you'll search for the Harold B. Lee Library. And it should be this first selection right here. Great, so now that we're at the library's webpage, what we're going to need to do is search for something. So say you're wanting to write a paper on Helen Foster Snow. So one of the first things you could type in is Helen Foster Snow. Let's see what we come up with here. All right, 563 results. That's pretty good, but maybe we want to narrow it down a little bit more and find only things that you can find in the special collections. So what we'll do is we'll come down here on this side under collection and we'll click this little drop down arrow, and then we're going to try to find special collections, which is down here. Once we click on that, now you can see everything here is going to be found in the special collections. Now, as we can see, the first two results are gray, which means they're not available, and say we need our information now. So what we could do is drop down this availability and click on on-site use only. Now this will show us the things that are actually available for us to look at in the special collections. See how it has the green or the yellow right here. So anything in the yellow is now going to be the special collections call number, and so we can use that to find the materials that we need.